You've got a great website, but how much do you actually know about your customers? What if it's not enough? Trouble is, most online businesses use tools like Google Analytics, but never learn what frustrates people or causes them to leave. To grow your business, you need to get inside and see the people behind the numbers. That's where Mouseflow comes in. Mouseflow records every visit to your site and lets you play it back. You can see how people browse, what they click, where they scroll, and how they fill out your forms. With powerful heat maps, you can visualize important click, mouse movement, and scroll behavior to draw meaningful conclusions. This all helps you enhance usability, boost conversions, and increase sales. The great thing is, Mouseflow is easy to set up and simple to use. It won't slow down your site, and our team is standing by if you need help. So, it's time to see what you're missing. Let Mouseflow help you never lose another customer. Create your free account at mouseflow.com or give us a call at 855-MOUSEFLOW to get started.